White glove photo printing. Museum quality, affordable prices. It's the coach here, and you know, from time to time I get emails out of nowhere from people that I don't know, or maybe people that I do know but I don't remember that I know, saying, hey Will, I got a great product, would you mind taking a look at it for me? So as long as it's real, like it's available to be purchased, I'll be glad to take a look at it. And here's how it works. If I like the product, or even if I don't like it so much, that if I think it's really has a great purpose, then I'll do a review just like this, and I'll be glad to present it to our audience. Now, if I do get a product and I don't like it, I typically just write a little thank you card and I send it back to the person and say, I just don't think it's a great fit for our audience. So, this case, guess what? Those of you that are shooting mirrorless cameras, and you'll notice most mirrorless cameras have the tripod plate mount, the 1/4-20 mount, right underneath the center of the lens where it typically needs to be, right? Because that's where your camera's balance point usually is going to be at. And of course it makes it lots easier on a tripod that way. Well, did you notice on your Lumix GH3+GH4s that when you put the bottom piece on, well, guess what happens? Well, look at that. Yeah, the tripod mount moves off to the side. That can be a big problem, primarily for guys like me that use things like the Omicron, right? When I use it as a ring light, I now need to mount that camera so that I've got that big old LED right in front of it. Well, it also has some balance issues too. Now when you mount here, this means the camera's going to be this way. Now when you put a longer lens on top of there, that means it's really going to be heavy this way. So those of you that are using ball heads like the beautiful Me Photo tripods that I adore, you'll find out that using the battery mount on your GH3 turns into a problem. So to the rescue comes the GH3+GH4, let's see, BX here, read it on the screen there, right? All right. 25 bucks. It's made out of beautifully made aluminum. It is easy to install, right? Just gonna slap this on the bottom here. It's perfectly padded, by the way, so it won't scratch up anything. Doesn't make any crazy marks. I'm just gonna use my Leatherman multi-tool here to put this thing together. And guess what? I've been able to now move, look at that, move my 1/4-20 mount plate right underneath where I need it to be. This little product is fabulous. Gets 5 stars from the coach. Congratulations, Ron, I do believe, that sent this over to me. First class work, sir, and I hope you sell gazillions of them. You have my permission to use this on your website. My name is Will Crockett. I'm a real smart guy. I'm the guy on the photo channel, and I say this is worth every bit of 25 bucks. In fact, if this was 39 bucks, I'd buy it. So Ron, you're too cheap on the darn thing. Raise the price, will ya? Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon. Talking portraiture, e-products, auto editing, e-templates, educational videos for shooting smarter, not harder. At thephotochannel.pro. White Glove elevates your photo files to exhibition-grade prints. Learn more at photoprinting.pro.